What's going on, everyone? My name is Adam, and I am with LeadWeb AI. We are an Air.Ai agency, and today I'm going to go over how to upload contacts properly and give you the full breakdown with metadata and all of that fun stuff when it comes to uploading a list into Air. And so, when you first log in, if you don't have anything set up in your account just yet, mind you, this is a test. What we're going to do is go ahead on the very top. It'll say contacts. We're going to go ahead and click on contacts. And it says you don't have any contacts yet, but it's a little bit counterintuitive, if you will. Even though you don't have contacts, you have to create a list first. So if you go over here and you create a list, and we'll just name this list video test list. And so that's the list right there. And then right up here where it says contacts, we're going to click that. And we're going to click import. And right here it says select a list to import the leads into. And so we're going to go ahead and select the list that we just created. And here it says by checking this box, I confirm that all the contacts I'm importing have given me express consent. By the way, if you're having an issue finding leads with express consent, go ahead and check out what we do. And we're able to get you leads for $1.50 that give you express consent. So we're going to go ahead and click this box here. We're going to hit select, and it's going to give you all of these weird little things right here, right? And so right here, you're going to go download example, and we'll just open this up. And I just realized that I can't share multiple screens in here. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to download this example. You don't have to necessarily. Generally what I do is I go into Google Sheets, which is free. It's like Excel. And I put first name, last name, email, phone number, and whatever other data that you want to put in there. You go ahead and put that in there. And then once you're done with that, you can download it as a CSV sheet. And inside of that CSV sheet, that is where you're going to host all your data. So you're going to hit next step. We're going to hit this, and we are going to double click. And you can see all of this information right here, right? It's a lot. So we have first name, last name, email, full address, city, state, zip, and all this is fake data, by the way. But this is just for conversation purposes. And you have phone numbers, gender, age range, married, children, income range, homeowner, whatever the case may be, all this data right here. So now we're going to hit next step. And this is where the interesting part comes in. So it'll automatically map all this data for you, right? It'll automatically map it for you, but it's only going to map the first name, the last name, the email, and the phone number, wherever the phone number went. There it is, and the phone number. You can see the rest of these all say choose column. Now, everything is already here. You could skip this column if you'd like, but what you could do is you could also use this for metadata. And what metadata is, the script that you create with your agent, it'll actually pull the data that you want in this sheet, even though it's not mapped to anything, it'll pull it out. So for example, let's say you're in real estate and you're saying, hey, I see that you're located in insert city. How do you have that? How do you have all of that set up? The way that you have it set up is I see you're located in metadata dot personal underscore city. And then how that conversation would go is saying, hey, I see that you're located in Alexander City, Andalusia, Anniston, Athens, Atmore, Auburn, whatever it is. I see that you're located in this. All of that data you can actually pull into a conversation, which is really interesting. And so then we're going to go to next step, and you can see all required columns have been matched, all rows are valid, and you're going to hit import data. Now you can see that these were all imported. We're going to hit close, and you can see now they're all labeled in here, and they're also labeled into the list that they're added into. And if you go into list, you can see there's 6 contacts here. And so that is exactly how you upload contacts into Air.